Hey family, it's Buffy. What's going on? This is weekly vlog number 3 for 2025. Trying to do a weekly vlog every week, and I want to share something with you. I got 2 things that I created I want to share with you guys. I got them here. First one, I made an apron, another apron. You've seen the other one. And this is Recipe for Love. I'm gonna have to stand up so you guys can see it really well, because you can't really see it there. But 2 cups of hugs. Let's see, 1 tablespoon of kisses and a pinch of laughter. And you got hearts all over it. Yeah, let's see if I lay it on this back of this chair. You can see it a little better, because me holding it, that wasn't working out for you guys. You can see it a little better that way. What do you guys think about this? Let me know. I sell these on my website. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to get honest opinion on what you guys think about this apron. Okay, that's one thing. And then this just came today. Okay, see if I can get it to open. I like sharing stuff with you guys. We're family, right? This is the author's proof copy, but I made a coloring book for adults, and it's called Escapes, an Adult Coloring Journey. And there's 50 different really intricate designs in here to color. And I got this proof copy because I wanted to see what it would look like first. Table of contents, and let's see, I didn't forget. Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different areas that are themes that you can draw from. Floral and nature is one. Fantasy and mythical is the next one. Mandalas, or mandalas, how do you pronounce that? M-A-N-D-A-L-A-S, how do you pronounce that, family? And abstract patterns. Next is architecture and interiors. And then last is steampunk and whimsy. There's also a practice page and a bonus design at the end. But all total, there's 50 pages that you can color with 2 extras, the practice page and a bonus design. Let's see. My nose is always running. Good night. This is the start of the mandala. I don't know how you say that. How do you say mandalas? Mandalas? It's one of them. Let's see. Oh, here's a steampunk design. And this one is just some hearts. Let's see, and look at some more. Oh, this is some of the architecture. What do you guys think? I know a lot of people, adults and children, like to, color. Oh, here's some more. I love these. I just don't know how to pronounce that. And these are really intricate, so you're probably going to need like a fine point on your coloring pen to really get in there and color. But let me know what you guys think. I'll show you some of the fantasy ones. Here's some fairies and a dragon. Let's see, I think I've shown you everything in there. Yeah. Oh, I didn't show you any floral. Here's some floral designs. But yeah, I just wanted to, this is again part of my weekly vlog. I'm going to add to it because I want to talk about TikTok. It looks like it is going away, and I'm really going to miss TikTok, because I tell you, that app has brought many nights to me. I stay up and I watch TikTok and I giggle at some of the videos. And yes, I'm one of those, you call me a weirdo if you want to, but I like watching when they're doing the ingrown toenails and the teeth are real gross and they're cleaning out the teeth. I always wonder when they do the teeth, because some of the tooth, 1 or 2 of the tooth or teeth that they're cleaning is real loose and is jiggly. I'm like, how's that gonna stay in their mouth? But I'm not a dentist, so I don't know. But it looks like it's going away. Looks like the ban's going to take effect in 2 days. Today's the 17th when I'm recording this. This is Friday. So it looks like it's going away. What do you guys think about that? I asked you about that last week, or was it during my live? I don't think anybody commented to let me know. I know I'm not the only one that's going to miss TikTok, because I'm telling you, that app is hilarious. And you know, each social platform out there, social media platform, it's got a different vibe, a different audience, a different feel to it. Like for me, YouTube is instructional and you build a community like I'm trying to build with my family. TikTok is more, I think, geared towards the younger people. And if you have a shorter, attention span, because usually the videos are like a minute long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and bam, 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 bam. Facebook, they say that's for us old folks. Well, I'm on Facebook. I'm not going to lie. I've been on it for a while. I'm not going anywhere. I don't post too many videos on Facebook. I got to do better because I got my Facebook group. Please join the group, Buffy's Baking Buddies, because a lot of the things that I produce, the recipes and all my videos, I'm going to put them in there in the file section. And if I do any kind of books, like I'm pretty sure either I have or I'm going to put in, I did some books on beginning bakers, a guide for beginning bakers, an advanced baking guide, I think productivity, and I did one on gardening. I either have put them in there, and I'm going to check when I end this video, or I'm going to, so they'll be free. You know, I sell them on Gumroad or Amazon, KDP. But if you're in the Facebook group, you can get it for free. And so it's interesting how TikTok was targeted. And this is just my personal take. And please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Supposedly, Congress went after TikTok because they felt like the Chinese, because it's a Chinese-owned company, TikTok that is, was spying on Americans. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. But isn't the U.S. government spying on us too? On us, U.S. citizens? I mean, come on. Think about your phone. Every time you're on your phone, they can track you with the satellite or what have you. They know exactly where you are. They know what you're browsing. If you're not doing anything illegal, why should you care? I don't care. Track me all the time. What am I usually doing? I'm on Google, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, that sort of thing. Maybe Amazon, because I'm creating content like this book, or t-shirts, stuff like that. I'm not doing anything illegal. Track me. I don't care. Heck, just a few minutes ago when I got the mail and I got this, I got the U.S. Census. I got to fill that out. You're tracking me anyway. So, I don't know. I'm going to miss that app, plain and simple. How do you guys think, how are you feeling about losing TikTok? Maybe you don't even care. There'll be something else. I hear that a lot of people have gone to another app called Red Note. I did sign up there. And I think they're going to start translating it because I'm getting pop-ups or notifications from the app, but they're all in Chinese. And I'm sorry, I don't know Chinese. I guess I need to start learning it though, huh? But anyway, it's weird times, family. I just feel like something is going to happen soon, and a big part of me thinks it's going to be something good, but there's a little part that I don't know, just kind of dreading it coming. So I don't know, it's a weird vibe I'm feeling. Anybody else feeling that? And no, I'm not talking about Trump getting inaugurated on Monday. It's just there's a weird vibe that I get when I'm out and about in the community. I live in the Midwest, and just a weird vibe I get from social media, from people all over our country, all over USA. Something's coming. I just don't know what it is, of course, because I can't predict the future. But does anybody else? Are you feeling this, family? Let me know in the comments. And I'm in my basement. That's why it's a little dark. So before I release this video, I'm going to have to put some more light on it so you can see a little better. But this is where I come down and I work out. This is a little bitty area where I have my home gym. Back behind me is another area. We have a lot of storage. To the right of me, a lot of storage. To the left of me is our stockpile. Food and dogs, food supplies, stuff like that. And then around the corner, there's the furnace, the water heater, water softener, basically mechanicals. And then wrapped around that is more supplies. Like we have a health and beauty aid section, we have paper products, and then stuff for the furnace, and then Christmas supplies and stuff. I highly encourage you all, if you haven't done so now, start a stockpile. And you don't have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars all at once. Take it step by step, get a little bit, as you go. Every time you go to the grocery store, buy a couple of the same thing. You need, let's say you're going to make some beans. You're going to buy a bag of beans, because that's the first thing came to my mind. Buy 2 or 3 bags. Beans are pretty cheap, at least they are now. I don't know about in a few weeks. Buy 2 or 3 bags. You're going to cook that one bag you intended on buying. This is if you can afford it. I know things are tight for us, Lord knows. But if you can buy a couple extra bags, that's starting your stockpile. You can start just as simply and as small as that. People think, oh, stockpile, I got to spend $100. No, you don't. You do a little bit at a time. I think I want to go live because, man, I had fun the other night when I went live. A couple people hung in there with me. We were talking about all kinds of stuff. So I think I'm going to go live. I have the big garden catalog from Baker's Creek. I love their seeds and stuff. And I'll share that with you guys because I like sharing stuff with you guys. Now I'll close out the video in a little bit. Until then, peace. Love you guys.